What is it about the fuchsia plant that captivates garden enthusiasts and novices alike? With its vibrant hues and versatility, fuchsia adorns gardens and containers alike, its unique hanging blooms drawing in hummingbirds and butterflies. The allure of fuchsia lies in its vibrant blooms and versatility that brightens up any garden or container. Interestingly, the fuchsia plant has a rich history dating back to the 16th century. Discovered in South America, it was named after German botanist Leonhard Fuchs. Its vibrant allure soon spread globally, captivating garden enthusiasts everywhere. Knowing the origin of fuchsia adds a touch of historical richness to its vibrant appeal. Now, you might be wondering, how do you care for this vibrant plant? Well, fuchsia thrives in cooler temperatures under partial shade. It prefers well-drained soil, enriched with organic matter. Watering should be regular but moderate, ensuring the soil is never waterlogged. Fuchsia is usually pest-resistant, but keep an eye out for aphids and red spider mites. Fungus can be a problem, so ensure good ventilation. With the right care, your fuchsia plant can provide a burst of color and beauty in your garden or home. The charm of fuchsia goes beyond its vibrant colors. Its diversity is truly captivating, with over 100 species and thousands of cultivars, each with its own unique appeal. Fuchsia doesn't just enchant us, it also attracts hummingbirds and butterflies, adding life and movement to your garden. But did you know that some fuchsia berries are edible, and their tangy flavor is a delightful addition to jams and desserts? Indeed, the allure of fuchsia extends beyond its vibrant blooms, making it a fascinating plant to explore. So, there you have it, the allure of fuchsia, vibrant blooms for gardens and containers. We've journeyed through the rich history of these captivating plants, admired their unique features, and learned about their versatility in various settings. We've also delved into the care they need to keep their colors radiant. The fuchsia plant truly embodies a blend of beauty, resilience, and charm that is hard to resist. Don't forget, if you found this video helpful or interesting, please like it and consider subscribing to our channel for more gardening tips and facts.